The BlackmagicDesign SmartScope Dual 4K rack-mounted Dual 6G SDI monitors is a monitoring solution for stereo and location productions, displaying video with resolutions up to 3840 x 2160 at 30p. It features two 8-inch monitors, each with a loop-through SDI input and output. The inputs are auto-sensing or selecting, so you don't have to worry about matching the input format. The monitor will display any supported format that you feed it. You can choose to select to display either the input video or one of 6 scope displays. While the input video passes through the monitor to downstream devices, you can select from either the video feed or one of 6 scope views of the video signal. Waveform displays the luminance component of the video signal on an IRE scale. Vector scopes allows you to accurately measure colors in the video signal and is a valuable tool when matching cameras or when you need to align the hue on the output of text. Parade. You can choose to display either RGB or YUV parade. RGB parade lets you check for illegal colors, plotting them against an IRE scale. The YUV parade displays shows the YUV component video as it is transmitted down the SDI cable. Audio views allows you to monitor 16 channels of audio, checking the levels and the audio phase. You can monitor the levels of all 16 channels at the same time, or monitor the stereo phase of SDI audio pairs. The stereo phase meter plots left and right audio as an XY scope display. An out-of-phase audio can be seen as either a left or right leaning display. Histogram. The histogram view lets you see where the pixels are in your video and how they are distributed from black to white. You can see where the overall exposure is and if you are exposing the brighter areas of your image with enough detail.